What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the video. I just got Nora down for a nap, so I'm gonna keep her to sleep probably for like an hour maybe, because it's only about 2:30 right now, so hour would be, decent. But anyways, welcome. It's Friday. It is beautiful. I know you guys seen Zay already, and I've been just cleaning the house and trying to relax a little bit because my stomach was kind of hurting earlier, so I had to just sit down and chill. But now I'm outside moving around. I feel a little better. So yeah, you guys, I did just turn 30 weeks, so that may be issues. I am starting to get sick, and because all throughout my pregnancy, the first 20 weeks I did not get sick, but it's like now that I'm 30 weeks, it's like now I'm getting sick. I'm starting to get dizzy. I'm starting to get more nauseous. I'm starting to get a lot of heartburn, and I'm starting to just feel weird. Not in a bad way, but as in my stomach is hurting. I've been going to the bathroom off and on all morning since I've been woke, and good thing I have medicine for that issue. But yeah, so hopefully. Now, sorry for the light. The light out here is terrible. The sky is dark and the sun is not out, so it's terrible. And somebody's sneaking up on us. Oh, that's just Zay, y'all. That's just Zay. Okay, I had to make sure.
Really? You knew it was me the whole time.
So yeah, but we're doing good. What was I just talking about? But yeah, y'all, so I am 30 weeks, but now I just feel like I'm almost due. It's just more things are happening. Not in a bad way, just, more that hasn't happened since my pregnancy first began. And when I say my stomach hurts, it's in saying I have to use the bathroom over and over again. It makes my stomach hurt because she is the baby is on my bladder, so it makes it worse. When I woke up this morning, I had to go to the bathroom so bad that my stomach was hurting, and I had to all I did was pee, you guys, right? But when I used it, it felt like I had I just let a whole 20 pounds off of me because I had to use it so bad, and I was asleep, so I'm not really focusing on what's going on, I'm not really. But anyways, yeah, so that. But I'm doing good overall. My next appointment, I think it is August 4th at 11:20 in the morning. The same time we went to the clinic last time, it was 11:20. So I have another 11:20 appointment coming up, and this is just a follow-up. It's nothing major or nothing. It's just a follow-up because now that I'm 30 weeks, I come in to see my provider every 2 weeks instead of every 1 week. Every 3 weeks. But now it's 2 weeks, and then I think when I get to be 36 weeks, I go every week. So it was 3 weeks, now it's 2 weeks, now that I'm 30 weeks. And then when I'm 36 weeks, I only have to see my provider once a week. So yeah, but with that, anyways, y'all, so yeah, that is that. Sorry, I know I talk too much about that, but anyways, who doesn't want to know about me and my baby? Oh, thank you. But yeah, so Rhea is hopefully taking a nap. I'm not sure. Her godmom was putting her to sleep, which is Zay's sister. She was putting her to sleep. I don't know if she's asleep or not because she was in her room, so. But Nora is asleep. She is just knocked out, you guys. She was tired. She was up to she woke up about 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning, but didn't go to sleep until about 2. So, 2 o'clock in the morning. So now that she sleep, she has to get up soon because if not, she'll be up all rest of the night. But yeah. There's so many planes in the sky right now, you guys. I don't know if y'all can see them. Like 2 or 3 of them. But yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. That's just another update with me and what's been going on. And I still have another 30-week update pregnancy to come for you guys. I'm probably going to do that either today or maybe tomorrow. I'll have it out by Monday. So yeah, today is July 25th, I think. So I'll have it out by the 28th. My 30-week update pregnancy. Because look, you guys. 30 weeks, y'all. I'm about to pop. But anyway, without further ado, we'll catch you in the next video. Subscribe.